So hello everyone, again welcome to Nirvan. So today explore the Python features and model, libraries and framework. Okay, so I give quick recap for the last session. So Python is the language we learned last time. Okay, today we will see why it's powerful and how we can use it and its features. Okay, module, libraries, framework also. Okay, by the way, end of the session you will know how Python can help you build apps, website, AI project, and many more. Okay, so come with the next slide. So here is the features of Python. So what are the features of Python? Python looks like English. Even beginner can read and write code easily. Okay. So what are the first features? Easy and simple. And the second one is okay. I am describe one by one. Okay. First of all, easy and simple. What is easy and simple means? Python looks like English. Okay. Even beginner can read and write code easily. Okay, nothing large of syntax like Java, C. You can hear about. There are many types of syntax are there: curly bracket and parenthesis and like semicolon. If you did not give any semicolon, then it will be as an error. But no, Python it is a very simple and easy to write, like a simple English language. And second one is free and open sources. Okay, no need to buy Python. It's free and millions of developers support it. Okay, there is no any subscription for the Python. You can easily use that for the programming purposes. Okay, huge library supported. What does it mean? Python has ready-made tools like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib to make our work easy. I before told you that one day it has a huge and large amount of library support so that it will be very easy to perform any operation and any application so that we use Python as a beginner. Okay, so the fourth one is portable and cross platform. What does it mean? Write the code once, run anywhere. Okay, portable code cross platform means what? Write code once, run anywhere. First of all, you can write the code and you can run anywhere like Windows, Mac, Linux. There is no any restriction for it. Okay, to run the or execute the program. The fifth one is most important, that is object oriented programming. Oops. Okay, what does it mean? We can create a reusable blueprint like car, student to make our code organized. Okay, that is the mean by oops. We can later discuss about in very clearly oops. So it is the features of Python. Then what is a framework? We can know that what is framework. Framework is what? A ready-made structure to build a application, big application faster. Okay, a framework is a ready-made structure that helps you build big application faster. For example, for a web app we use Django, Flash, Fast API, Pyramid, Bottle, and many more. So instead of building everything from scratch, framework give a skeleton to start quickly. Okay, if you are use Django, so what does it mean? If you use a framework Django, there is a property or some function are there. You can use that easily without writing from the scratch. That doesn't mean that what? Instead of building everything from scratch, framework give a skeleton to start quickly. Okay, like using a house blueprint, you don't start digging from zero. Okay, you follow a structure. That is the work of framework. Okay, the next one is what is module? Module, what does mean by module? Module is a single Python file that contains reusable code, or we can say module is nothing but a normal file or .py file which has contain number of what class, object, and many function method are there, which is used for our easy purposes. So we can do square root, power, and other math operation without writing from scratch. Here is the example. Looks it. Example 1. Input math. If we want to any mathematical operation, don't write from the scratch how to operate that. We can input the module and we can easily call that function and we can done that code. Example 2 here is so input random. Random is a what module name and it has its work is randomly generated some number. For example, here input math. I can input it here math. Print math that square root 16 means it can calculate the square root of 16. What is square root of 16? That is 4. It can give the output 4. Here see, you don't write from the scratch of the code. You can only input the math module, and you can give the function math. It has a function square root. Okay, what does mean its square root? Square root is the function of math module, and it will be pass the parameter 16, and the output is what, 4. Okay, so next slide is, what is library? Okay, library is nothing but the collection of module that solve bigger problems. Okay, library is the modules, collection of modules. Okay, like NumPy is a library, Panda is a library, Matplotlib. There is a lot of library we have discussed later, but now you can see that only NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, C1. There is a many lot of libraries there. Okay, if a module is a single tool, a library is a toolbox with many tools ready to use. Example, library, collection of module. Example, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, code snippet. Import what? NumPy. You can import the NumPy as NP. As means it is the alias. Like your name is like my name is Prahlad, and my what my calling name is Sunu. Like that. As NP means NP is the calling name of NumPy. We did not always write NumPy, so that we can declare as NP. Where it will be declared, when you want to use that NumPy, you only call the NP. Okay, that is the work of S. We have later discussed in clearly. It is the from the scratch. I can you can learn everything about the Python. Okay. The next slide is Python application. It is the important thing. What is the application is Python. First of all, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Second one is data science. Third one is web development. Fourth one is automation scripting. Fifth, game development, cyber security. These are the function, or the we can say these are the application of Python. AI and machine learning, predicting stock prices, like we can know, data science, analyzing COVID data, or web development building Instagram like apps, any website. Okay, automation, what, auto renaming files, or automating doing an agent. Okay, game development, what, game development, simple games with pygame. Cyber security, scanning networks or testing app, like this. Okay, so these are the application of Python. So thank you to all of you for the joining. In the next class, we start coding and variable data type in Python. Okay, so thank you all of you. Please subscribe the channel and comment it down if any query you have. Okay, thank you.